Hi guys, here is a little tutorial how to change the oil on the Fiat Freemont or the same Dodge Journey. You need to unscrew this locker here to have better access. See, 3 10mm socket bolts and 32mm wrench to unscrew the filter, just right there, like so. Unscrew the filter. See? To have better access. And the drain plug is located here. Replace the oil, screw the filter, and that's it. Be careful unscrewing the filter because oil must run from there, like so. Just unscrew by hand, anti-clockwise. Like so. Oh, here we are. Oil runs. Here's the new oil filter. Make sure that 2 O-rings are here and install the o ring here on this cap, and make sure that inside this is clean also, and after replace into the place.